think it's recording. All right, so just I don't know if you guys remember, but my clutch master and cylinder and slave cylinder went out of my Integra. This old gasket, it's fucked, so had to get another one from Honda. And here's the new, the old clutch master cylinder. It's pretty fucked. And here's the new one that is OEM. Wait, no, this is the new one. This is the new one that's OEM. Oops. I was like, why isn't there an instant thing here? Yeah, this is AutoZone, and it didn't really work because it was like $16. So lesson learned: don't buy from AutoZone. Always try to buy OEM for like important parts like these. So yeah, now I just have to adjust it to get it to this length. All right. Wait, so this is a slave, right? Mm-hmm. Oh, wait.
You're not recording, are you?
I am.
Oh.
So this line is, oh yeah, so that's supposed to drain, but you already took that. That's the, is that like the return line?
No, that's just a bleed screw.
Oh, okay, yeah. But yeah, this is where the master cylinder is. It's out. So it was a 12 to get it back, right? A 12? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. Alright guys, so whenever you do the clutch master cylinder in your car, always make sure that the new part has like pretty much the same length as the old part, because you want the same travel distance obviously when you're pushing in your clutch. And then we're going to be bench bleeding it basically, so we're going to be pumping in brake fluid through here and then pumping out all the air before we actually stick it in. So yeah, just always make sure you do that, or else you're gonna have air in your system, your car's gonna run like shit, your clutch is gonna feel like shit. So
well, do you want to explain what you did?
oh yeah, so basically we put the new master in. So you can see right there, it's OEM, works well. I still have no idea, what is this? All right, okay, whatever. Yeah, the reservoir's here, it's filled up. Got the slave out, the new slaves in. We're about to bleed it right now. But yeah, we got the hose hooked up right here. And yeah, honestly, if you guys have a Integra 94 to 2001, or honestly any Honda, try to take out the fan when taking out these 212s to take out the slave cylinder, because it was really tough to get out. System, it's working now. Do I keep pumping?
No.
Oh. Oh. All right. Yeah, I guess that's it, guys. So that's how you bleed a clutch. You just get the nipple, unscrew the nipple, have a hose in the drain pan or something, and then you just pump the clutch, get all the air out, and yeah, then the reservoir's filled up now. Now I don't have a leak anymore because it was leaking pretty bad before, and I barely got home from Southern California while driving this thing. Right, so I have that much oil. I don't know if you guys can see, but it is fucking black, as in it is dirty as shit. I've changed it like 1,000 miles ago, but it's burning so much. It's just it's so fucked. So I gotta pour the rest of this in and we should be good. But yeah, I drove back from SoCal, so it was like 350 miles, and it burned that much, and I was at 3/4 of the way, so this car is just burning oil like crazy. I burn a quart probably every 300 miles, 400 miles, I burn a quart of oil. I wasn't even engaging in okay, actually I was actually going pretty quick, but yeah, anytime I engage in VTEC, I can smell it. I mean, I could smell it just burning. Compression's fine on my car. It was like, once, I don't know, it was even all around. That's all that mattered, and it wasn't like anything really low. So I don't know what's wrong with it. I don't know if tuning it won't help, because this is, I don't know, got a bad valve. I don't know what's wrong with it, but it's burning a shit ton of oil, and it's burning way more oil than it should. So I guess I'll just run it into the ground. Oh, I have ABS. Yeah, I guess I'll just run it into the ground. I mean, it's a Honda, so, you know. I guess I'll just keep putting oil and keep changing the oil out, get a tune, and keep kicking it in VTEC, I guess. Woo! Alright guys, I'm testing out the, oh my god. Dude, it feels so good. Oh my god. This feels like fucking butter right now. Yeah, so I just replaced the, I'll roll up the window so you guys can hear, but I just replaced the clutch slave and master cylinder in my car with brand new OEM from this is from Honda. They're like $100 each, like no AutoZone eBay shit. Like this is like the real deal, like real Nissan, real OEM. Yeah, these are real OEM parts. Holy shit. Oh my god, this feels, oh my god, this feels really good. Yeah, so it was leaking before, so my clutch kind of felt like shit, but now it's like, dude, this is like butter. Wonder if it grinds. I'm gonna check if it grinds at high gears. I'm at like an 8th tank, so it's kind of stupid, but I'm gonna do like a pull. Let me try to pull real quick. Oh my god, it shifts so much. Holy shit. Usually it kind of grinds up top if I'm shifting like that, but right there it was just, it pulled smooth all the way through. Oh my god. Okay, let me get into first. Oh my god, that felt so, oh my god, yo, this shifting, dude, I could just shift like this all day. Like, I want to sit in traffic right now and just like kind of like shift around, and okay, maybe not that, but like I kind of just want to like I don't even want to go fast right now. I just want to like, oh my god, downshift. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my, oh, it's an EG hatch in there. Oh my god. Oh, yo, this is nice. Are they back in school or something? Yo, this be nice. Oh wait, what was that? Yo. Oh, it feels, yo, like sorry, this is just gonna be like a video of me like oohing over my clutch, but and my shifting, but holy cow, like this has made all the difference. Like, wow, this feels like, this feels amazing. Words cannot describe how much. Maybe I should do the clutch master cylinder and slave cylinder in my RX7, because honestly, you guys think my RX7 is really nice, but it's actually it's kind of a hoopty piece of shit. I'm not gonna lie. It needs a lot of work, and yeah, people just like, you know, it looks nice on the outside, but as far as like I mean, it operates okay, like it runs okay, but it doesn't run like my Integra. Then again, you know, this is the thing, like everyone's like, oh, rotaries burn oil. Do my rotary or my RX7 has such a healthy motor, it only burns a quart every like 1,000 miles, right? This Integra burns a quart of oil in like 300 miles. So, you know, for everyone saying like, oh, your rotary, like, you know, you're spending so much on oil, dude, no, like I spend more money on oil in my Honda, in my Acura Integra, in a Honda. So it you know, it really depends on like the ownership of the previous person, how well they took care of the car and shit like that. Like, it doesn't apply for every car. Yes, like I'd say it's a stereotype for rotaries because they do burn oil by design. But there's plenty of other cars that burn a shit ton of oil. Like for example, like older BMWs, like E36, E46. My buddy's E36 burns like a quart every like 200 miles or something like that. So there's plenty of other cars that burn oil. It's just rotaries burn oil by design, but it doesn't mean that they eat up as much oil as like a beaten on like Honda or a beaten on like E36 or E46.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, later in the day, yeah, so I just fixed the Integra. It's running great. I know gas in it though, so that's why. Woo! Sorry, that's why I took the RX7 out. I'm going out back up Highway 9 with my friends. And yeah, you know, the Integra had no gas. I honestly could have taken it up, but I don't know. There's something about the RX7 that I just love. I love driving up, even though I don't know if you guys see, I have 63 miles on this tank. I'm literally at like a little over oh shit, sorry, I'm not watching the road. I'm literally like a little over a half tank right now. So that means out of 8 gallons, probably like, actually, since it's a little over half, probably like I've used like 6 or 7 gallons. I've gone 63 miles. So I mean, you guys do the math. It's a little less than 10 miles per gallon. So this thing's really not cheap to drive either. Like my Integra gets like 25 miles to the gallon, but it burns a shit ton of oil. This one doesn't burn as much oil, but it gets terrible gas mileage. So, you know, anytime I own a car, there's always fucking problems with it. I don't get to choose. I buy them, and then they develop problems, or they already have problems. So, but yeah, I'm about to go up 9. Just want to update, but I'll probably film some stuff up top if I swing it or something. Alright guys, currently driving. I don't know if you can see well, but yeah, it's nighttime. It's driving down 9, stuck behind I think a fire truck or some shit, but just thought it'd be a good time to kind of conclude the day or conclude the video by saying, like, I really appreciate like all the support. Like I've been gaining like a good amount of subs like per day. I don't know why. I guess people just really like me seeing like drive my car and do stupid shit, I guess. So yeah, from the bottom of my heart, like I really appreciate it. Like sub count like never really mattered to me, but it does feel good to see like a lot of people comment and say like, hey, like thanks for taking the time out of your day to like make these videos and shit. And, you know, I do it for other people. You know, I want to provide content for other people, as like, when, you know, when I was growing up, basically like I watched a lot of like car channels, which really inspired me. You know, it inspired me to buy like my my car right now, my RX7 FD. You know, a lot of channels like Eliminate and TJ Hunt, they inspired me a lot to buy the cars I've always had. And yeah, I just want to be able to provide that for, I guess, you guys, for the next generation. I guess I can consider myself older than you know, like when I was in high school. Obviously I'm like 23, but you know, when I was in high school, when I was like 14, 15, I used to watch like videos like these all the time, and you know, I just want to be able to give back, I guess, to the community. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and supporting. Like, I guess if we, you know, if I stayed to the sub count right now, it wouldn't really matter, like as long as people like the videos and stuff. But yeah, thank you so much. Kidding, guys. Bonus content. Oh, he's trying to light up. Oh no. Oh shit. Oh, it's Griffin too. Yeah, guys, we're just all messing around. We see Griffin, yes sir. Griffin took off too. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so funny. Oh my god. Oh my god, he just passed me. Bro, I'm dying right now. I'm laughing so hard. Mazda boys always come first. It's the Mazda boys, you know.
Rider, bust you need it, I'll bleed it. Geeking off a perkin', bitch, I'm feeling like a demon. Bitch, I came in, drifting on the pavement.